How to make money with buy ounce of gold. Gold trading includes investing in gold, silver, platinum, or palladium outright in an all-cash purchase through various online sellers, which also let you have your purchase delivered to you through registered and insured U.S. mail. You can also store your purchase metal in depositories at various secure and independent banks in the U.S. When you buy gold coins or gold jewelry, you need a storage account in various banks for the safety reason of the precious metals, and through this way you also make your precious metals insured by various banks, and you also get a proper storage locker facility. There are various beneficial ways for gold trading which can profit you from the up and down movements in the price gold. One way is to play the long side, which is where you are supposing that prices of gold will rise in the future and purchase a bulk amount of gold for getting future profit by selling your gold. Other way is to play the short side, which is when you are supposing that prices will fall in the future and you immediately sell out your gold at a decent current price. When you are going to be trading any of the different commodities, it is important to pay attention to the current trend that is taking place in the market. Gold trading through various metal markets in a manner gives the trader better options as compared to traditional means of investing in precious metal markets, where significant profits as well as losses can happen. The traded precious metals are generally gold bullion coins and mining stocks. According to their market value, these metal forms are treated differently. There are also valuable trading tools for commercial producers and the users of the above metals, like precious metal contracts. The gold trading process of costly metals is similar to stock exchanges. Several activities are also conducted by traders on behalf of their clients for buying or selling metals. The more convenient and easy option for trading of such metals is online trading and having full and mini-sized contracts based on the quantity of precious metal.